Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Snapchat and going straight to your profile. Tap the round avatar in the top left. Once done, tap the circular photo area that represents your DP. That action triggers the photo options. You'll see choices like taking a new snap or selecting from camera roll. Choose the latter to use an existing photo. Make sure the photo is high resolution and shows your face clearly. Because Snapchat crops to a circle, position it where you want before confirming. After picking a photo from camera roll, you must frame it for the circular DP. Use pinch to zoom to adjust scale and drag to reposition until your face or focal point sits centered in the circle. Snapchat may offer rotate and straighten controls. Use them to fix tilt. Once the crop matches what you want, tap crop or done to accept the change. This step matters because the app permanently crops to a circle. Careful framing prevents awkward cuts. Finish by confirming save or done so Snapchat applies the new DP to your profile. If the image appears blurry, make sure to re-upload a higher resolution photo, aim for at least 720 pixels wide, and repeat the crop step. If the change doesn't take immediately, force close the app, reopen, and check again. Clearing Snapchat cache in settings often resolves sync glitches. If all else fails, restart your phone. Then repeat the upload and crop sequence to ensure the DP updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.